in the no man's land area, and the batsman will get again chance to complete a single. Actually, he had invited him. He played it in the air, not connected hard with his bat, and there was no chance to the infielder. The score is now 70 on the board, and the bat was in the air, and meanwhile the wicket keeper, as he got the ball in his hand and touched to the stumps, and here he has to go to the pavilion. Four fallen down. His name is Jayesh Matre, who will have to go to the pavilion. He scored only 3 and he is looking quite disappointed. He didn't get more success, and that we have seen that wicket keeper, his name is Prashant. Prashant was there, and as soon as he got ball in his hand, touched to the stumps, and meanwhile we have seen just right now the batsman's bat was in the air, and he is very quick there. Very good stumping from him. The bowler once again getting ready on his bowling mark. This time once again into the block hole. The batsman wanted to play, but he couldn't hit. There was no connect, and he's getting, meanwhile, the single run they have taken, and with this single now the 71 runs on the board. This is again once again middle of the bat, and that is high, and it is straight, and that is going, and it's going, and it's going for a wonderful 6. What a stroke from his bat again, over the bowler's head, into the he clears the distance, and that went for the 6. And with the 6 now the score is on the board 77, with a loss of 4 wickets. Nitin, who is on the crease from long time, and Nitin is playing right now on 37, and he has faced 11 deliveries, and from these 11 deliveries he scored 37 runs, involving 3 sixes and 3 boundaries. This is the analysis given by our scorer Sandeep Patil, who has been scoring in this match. And this is a lovely ground. What a ground this is! All everywhere we have seen the greenery, and this is located in Patalganga NISM cricket ground. It's really a big ground, and everybody would like to play on this ground. Such a beautiful ground. And on the left hand there is a Hiranandani. Buildings are high, scappers are there. Arun has brought into the attack. Let's see what Arun will be doing for his team. And this is I think number 7th in progress. Now the few death overs are there, and we expect batsmen will be looking for the big strokes. And this is why beautifully connected and exactly into the gap. Let's see what happens. But meanwhile the fielder is there, and that will go, and I think it may go, it may be. Let's see what happens there. And they have taken 2 runs. Quick running between the wicket. They both are 79 runs on the board right now. 7th over in progress. This once again, and in the air, but meanwhile the fielder is there at deep third man. The ball travels into the deep third man region, and meanwhile the batsman once again getting a chance to take a single. And with this single now the 80 runs on the board. It's a nice total on the scoreboard. This time once again, and well, this is in the air, and it will be going high and handsome, and that is going for a 6. What a lovely stroke from him. Once again, outstanding batting from him. That is out of the park. Beautifully connected. He got a lot of time there. Short pitch ball. And the ball comes little slow. Meanwhile, he gets in chance and clears the distance over the fence, and that went for the 6. Oh, so with the 6 now, the score is 86 on the board, with the loss of 4 wicket. This is the Maharashtra Doctor Premier League, MHDPL, organized by Prema Rasayani Raigad, state level doctors, tennis cricket tournament. 16 teams have involved in this, participated in this tournament. And the first prize will be given 1 lakh, and then second prize is 50,000. Third prize is 25,000. Fourth prize is also will be given of 25,000. So that was a huge 6 from him once again. Let's see what happens. And this is outside of the off stump, and meanwhile the umpire gives it wide. Extra runs are coming right now for the team. 87 runs with this wide. There is again umpire says it's no. We can see the pressure right now, and I think something problem in the popping screen, and it will be a free hit. So there will be advantage to the batsman. Let's see that if is he going to take advantage of it. That will be interesting to see. That is once again high in the air. Let's see what happens. The ball was in the air for a lot of time, but the wicketkeeper who himself went there, but it was quite difficult. There was no chance, and meanwhile the batsman again going for the double. They have taken a double run, so he couldn't take advantage of that free hit. Upper edge was there, high in the air. Meanwhile the wicketkeeper had tried with his best. Into the block hole again. Once again that there is a filter at the backward of the square, and meanwhile the batsmen have taken easily single, comfortable single. They have got a good total on the board right now. These are the death over, and in death over the batsmen are looking for the big strokes. Here he goes again, flicked off the wrist, that is high in the air, and meanwhile the fielder comes in, and he has taken a beautiful caught, and it's a soft dismissal. Beautiful catch. He has taken a good catch there in the deep mid wicket region. That was high in the air. He comes down it with his palm hands and taken a comfortable catch there. Makran had taken that catch, so he has to go once again to the pavilion, and the new batsman will be coming on his place. His name is Manish. So after a long time he got the wicket. This is going to be the last over. And for the last over, the captain, let's see that whom he brings to the attack. So the match is between AKM Bhiwandi versus Nerul champions. Nerul won the toss and elected to field first. So this is going to be the last over. Dushyant has brought into the attack, and it's going to be a death over. And on strike there is Manish. On non-strike end there is Nitin. Nitin, who is since long time there, and he's playing. His individual score is 46. What a batting from him. This one played it beautifully into the. There is a fielder at the deep cover region, and as soon as he got ball in his hand, and meanwhile the batsmen are getting the comfortable single. This is the last over in progress, and 92 on the board. Nitin is on playing on the 46. Outstanding broad batting from him, outstanding performance from him. This was a lot of time. He gets again once again in the air and he dropped it. And with this stroke, he got a 50. This is the first 50 from in this tournament from Nitin Bhagat, who batted really excellent, and that was a lot of time he had got, and he gets an opportunity, connected beautifully. There wasn't chance, but they dropped the catch. He drops the catch, and that went for the boundary. He got the 50 by facing 16 deliveries. Once again, middle of the bat, and that once, and there is a good fielding from the mid-wicket region there. Meanwhile, the batsman is going for the second, and they have taken a comfortable second, and it's really big inning has played by Mr. Manish, who, and the score is now 98. He goes for the reverse one, but not able to connect with his bat. He tried well, but this was a good comeback from him, as he knows that he is going to play the reverse, and that's what he changes the line. Once again, we have seen this is outside of the arm stump, and the umpire gives it wide. This is the wide. Extra run adds into the score. Now the score is on the board, 99 runs. They are one run away from 100. This is beautifully played once again. There is a fielder, and could be a chance of run out, and he misses that chance. There was a golden opportunity. The batsman who was running at the danger, he was quite away from the line, and the wicket keeper meanwhile misses that chance. That wasn't chance, that was an opportunity from him. And with this, the score is right now 101. This is going to be the last ball of this over of the inning. And this was once again played in the air, and oh my God, that is going for a 6. He clears the distance once again out of the park, and with this 6, that they have given the target. Let's see what the target is. The target will be of 108, 107. Then the target is of 108. And this is really great batting from him. बहुत ही बेहतरीन बल्लेबाजी का प्रदर्शन यहाँ पर जो कि किया है मनीष, माफ कीजिएगा नितिन के लिए जोरदार ताली होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि उन्होंने बेहतरीन पारी खेली, अच्छा योगदान उनका रहा था। और मैं आमंत्रित करूंगा माइक्रोफोन पर टीके माली।
थैंक यू बागुल सर। इसके बाद मैं डॉक्टर साजिद टाके इनको निवेदन करूंगा कि अगली कमेंट्री आप करें। डॉक्टर साजिद टाके। 108 धावांचं टार्गेट पुढे ठेवलेलं आहे आणि अतिशय चांगला सामना, पहिल्याच सामन्यामध्ये 50 आपल्याला पाहायला मिळालेली आहे। आपले व्यासपीठावरील मान्यवर या मॅचचा आनंद घेत आहेत आणि त्यांचं आपण स्वागत इथे करू इच्छितो। मी आमचे डॉक्टर युवराज म्हशिळकर आणि रोहित कदम जे प्रायमाचे प्रेसिडेंट आहेत यांना मी विनंती करतो की त्यांनी आजच्या या महाराष्ट्र डॉक्टर्स प्रीमियर लीगचे उद्घाटक आदरणीय रविराज जाधव सर यांचं सन्मान चिन्ह देऊन स्वागत करावं। रेगे हॉस्पिटलचे सर्जन डॉक्टर रविराज जाधव यांना मी विनंती करतो की त्यांनी आमच्या स्वागताचा स्वीकार करावा। आदरणीय डॉक्टर रविराज जाधव रेगे हॉस्पिटलचे सर्जन, त्यांचं मनापासून हार्दिक हार्दिक स्वागत. युवराज सर आणि रोहित कदम त्यांचं स्वागत करतात. त्यांना विनंती आहे की त्यांनी स्वागत आमचं स्वीकारावं. त्यानंतर सागर सावंत यांना मी विनंती करतो की त्यांनी आमच्या स्वागताचा स्वीकार करावा. डॉक्टर संजय कुरंगळे यांना मी विनंती करतो. निलेश साळुंके जर असतील तर त्यांनी इकडे यावं. संजय कुरंगळे स्वागत करतील. सागर सावंत एक ग्रेट लेदर क्रिकेटर आहेत आणि यंगस्टार क्रिकेट क्लबच्या माध्यमातून अनेक क्रिकेटवीरांना ते धडे देतात. रसायनीचे बरेच खेळाडू त्यांनी घडवलेले आहेत आणि संजय कुरंगळे यांनाही त्यांनी प्रशिक्षण दिलेलं आहे. निलेश साळुंके यांना मी विनंती करेन की त्यांनी डॉक्टर सुनील डोंगरे यांचं स्वागत करावं. सन्माननीय सुनील डोंगरे, एक्स प्रेसिडेंट RMA यांचं स्वागत. सन्मान चिन्ह ज्यांनी ज्यांनी आम्हाला मदत केलेली आहे त्यांचं धन्यवाद मानणं हे आमचं कर्तव्य आहे आणि त्यांचं स्वागत करणं हेही आमचं परम कर्तव्य आहे. आदरणीय सुनील डोंगरे साहेब, एक्स प्रेसिडेंट RMA यांचं स्वागत. त्याचप्रमाणे आदरणीय इंदर चव्हाण यांनाही मी विनंती करतो की त्यांनी आमचं स्वागत स्वीकारावं. आदरणीय प्रसाद इंदर चव्हाण आणि वराळे काका यांचं स्वागत. उन्नती हॉस्पिटलचे सर्वेसर्वा यांचं स्वागत इथे करण्यात येत आहे. मी विनंती करतो इंदर चव्हाण आणि वराळे काकांना की त्यांनी आमच्या स्वागताचा स्वीकार करावा. कदम सर, आदरणीय डॉक्टर इंदर चव्हाण, उन्नती हॉस्पिटलचे सर्वेसर्वा आणि वराळे काका यांचं मनापासून हार्दिक हार्दिक स्वागत. रोहित कदम प्रेसिडेंट त्यांचं स्वागत करतील. रोहित कदम, डॉक्टर राहुल आणि युवराज मशिलकर यांना विनंती करतो की त्यांनी डॉक्टर प्रसाद रोकडे, तालुका हेल्थ ऑफिसर खालापूर यांचं स्वागत करावं. आदरणीय डॉक्टर प्रसाद रोकडे, कोविड योद्धा, ज्यांनी कोविड पॅन्डेमिक मध्ये अतिशय मुलाची अशी सेवा संपूर्ण खालापूर मध्ये दिलेली आहे. ते आदरणीय आमचे डॉक्टर प्रसाद रोकडे साहेब यांचं मनापासून हार्दिक हार्दिक स्वागत. आदरणीय प्रसाद रोकडे साहेबांना विनंती आहे की त्यांनी आमच्या स्वागताचा स्वीकार करावा. डॉक्टर संतोष जाधव यांनाही मी विनंती करतो की त्यांनी आमचं स्वागत स्वीकारण्यासाठी इथे यावं. त्यांचा मान सन्मान आम्ही सगळे प्रायमा रसायनी वाले इथे करू इच्छितो. सचिन मोकल आणि प्रशांत जगताप यांना मी विनंती करतो की त्यांनी आपल्या शुभहस्ते आदरणीय डॉक्टर संतोष जाधव, आमच्या सगळ्या डॉक्टर मंडळींच्या माऊली, त्यांचं स्वागत करावं. डॉक्टर प्रशांत जगताप आणि सचिन मोकल स्वागत करतात. डॉक्टर संतोष जाधव यांचं सुखम हॉस्पिटलचे डायरेक्टर, त्यांचा मान सन्मान इथे केला जातोय. खेळाडूंसाठी एक महत्वाची सूचना आहे. जर चेंडू गेला तर नवीन बॉल देण्यात येईल. जर गेला आणि तो जर मिळाला तर तोच मिळेल, परंतु जर मिळाला नाही तर नवीन चेंडू देण्यात येईल. O2 साजिद डाके सर.
थैंक यू माली साहब.
12th मॅन नेरुल चॅम्पियनचे 12th मॅन पाठवा.
So we now have the Nerul team batting. Bowler is Sandeep. And the first ball on the leg side, a slightly tapped delivery for a single. Or it's a leg by, yes. One leg by to Nerul. So the board is ticking. 1 for no loss at the end of just one ball. Just started. Good morning, everybody. We are now into a beautiful tournament here at the beautiful NISM ground at Rosaini. And we have two huge teams competing in this match. It remains to be seen who goes on the top. They have a huge target now of 108. The Nerul captain, he was expecting a score of about 60 to 70, and he felt very comfortable that he would be able to cross over, the team would be able to cross over that score. And now since this target is 108, that's a full toss delivery, but not able to go for a huge one, and just a single. Nerul champions, the score is 2. And as I was just saying, the captain wanted 60 or 70, and now it's 108 the target. So we'll have to see what their strategy would be, whether they would be in comfortable zone or not. Two top class batsmen there, a left-right combination. Another full tossed one, up in the air, following no man's land. 1 run taken comfortably, going for 2. We'll have to wait and see. And 2 comfortable runs, nicely capitalized on that delivery. Makaran taking the strike now. Makaran Prashant combination, right arm over the wickets. There was nicely placed delivery, a Yorker length ball for a single. It's wonderful bowling from the Bhiwandi side, not able to give room to the batsman. Although there was a one full toss delivery, the batsman could not capitalize, and the score now is 5 for no loss. Good tight bowling. That was a brilliantly bowled ball outside the off stumps and a slight in swinger. Batsman not able to read it, and that has gone for a dot. That should put pressure on the batting side. Another ball outside the off stump, wide out of the off stump, and that's a declared wide ball. So 6 for no loss in the first over. Sandeep Tare, the bowler, very tight bowling, but just gave away a wide run. That's up in the air, and that should be cotton ball. Yes, it is. That's a huge setback for Bhiwandi team, a Nerul team. Six for 1 at the end of first over, and Nerul now in a tight corner. They will have to wriggle out before the noose is tied. First over, 1 wicket gone, just 6 runs on board. They'll have to first consolidate and go bing bang to cross the score of 108. Yes, Sachin. Toss. AKM Bhiwandi and Raigad Raje would be the next contestants. The captains are requested to please come to the commentators box or right in front of the box for the toss.
Well, I think that initial overs are very important. the target is very high. So I think they will have to go with the big strokes if they want to go.
It's now over to Sandeep for the. Okay. So expert comments from Sandeep. Please go on with your comment with your expert comments.
So the initial overs are very important, I think, and the batsmen will have to go for the big strokes. And if they will be going for the singles, I think that with the singles, it's not going to help them.
That's exactly right, because 108 is a huge target, and any team would be changing their plans and their approach to cross the score. That's what our expert commentator has just said. Sandeep Bagolia amidst the commentator's box. Right arm over the wickets. Rohinil, wide ball out of the leg stumps. The score now is 7 in the second over. Rohinil again, nice delivery. Batsman not able to read it. Rohinil, tallish character, long legs, lovely run up, and he knows what he has to do for his team. But now is the duty of Makaran and Amit to carry on from here. Huge setback in the form of Prashant in the first over, and we'll have to see what the strategy now is. Makaran taking the strike, looks solid like a wall, like a rock. Outside the leg stump, Shatti's delivery, but he miscues it, and a very easy catch for the wicketkeeper, the agile wicketkeeper, doing a slight slow run up and taking that very comfortable catch. And another huge damage done to the Nerul team. From here on, they'll have to really think right, do right to reach the score of 108. 2 wickets down in the second over, the score being 8 runs. Not very impressive. No, Rohinil the bowler, as I was just saying, longish legs and tallish character, nice run up, beautiful bowling rhythm, and that's Rohinil for you there. So both the opening bowlers have taken 1 wicket each. They have done their duties, they have done their job, created huge damage and created an opening for themselves. B1D team right on top, but Nerul has a huge batting lineup. They bat very, very deep. You can see the physique of these batsmen. Huge characters, sturdy body, and that's all about the Nerul side. It's just a matter of 1 or 2 sixers or 1 or 2 boundaries, and then they'll get into the rhythm, and then we'll have to see a good match, good tight match. Rohinil again with that wonderful bowling. The batsman not able to read it. A dot ball. That's an achievement in such kind of format where we have 6 overs, 8 overs, 10 overs. A dot ball is a huge achievement. You can celebrate on that, because this is all again some wonderful batting, wonderful batsmen. There you can see, as I was just saying, it's just a matter of 1-6, 1-4, 1 or 2 sixes, 1 or 2 fours, and umpire declares this as a 4. So first 4, this should boost the confidence of the Nerul side. They know their capabilities. So the score now is 12 in the third over. Second over. Rohinil being little wayward and giving a very loose delivery there, right in front of the legs, which is a crime for the bowler. An overpitch delivery is a crime in this kind of format. Any ball that is bowled over there has to go out of the boundary. A similar kind of ball, but this time the batsman was just not able to read it, and an easy catch there at the long on, or shortish long on. Nitin has taken that nice catch, very comfortable catch. 3 wickets down in the second over, and slowly but surely Bhiwandi is getting right on top. The Bhiwandi guys, just met them in the dressing room some time back, and I told them that your team looks very, very solid. But after I saw the Nerul guys on the ground, they looked absolutely huge and good players, good sportsmen, and expected this to be a very good contest. But the match is not over yet. Just 2 overs gone, and as I said, Nerul is batting very, very deep. They have batsmen right up to 9 or 10 number. So 2 wickets, 3 wickets, 4 wickets, 5 wickets should not bother them. They know their talents, they know their focus, they know their jobs. Just a matter of 1 or 2 sixes to gain the confidence, and they should see the score of 108. That's a wonderful shot in no man's land for two comfortable runs. The ball was nicely played by Rohit Nil on the middle stump, but he made room and he went for those 2 runs. Nicely played, nice bowling, nice batting, and the score now is 14 for the loss of 3 wickets at the end of second over. 14 for 3 at the end of 2 overs, 6 overs remaining. Onus is now on the Nerul team. Each passing over will have to make them think, because they're losing wickets here and they're not achieving the required run rate. You lose wickets and you achieve the rate, then it's fine because they bat deep. But you lose wickets here and you don't reach the target per over, then it's a matter of concern. When the match started, they had to score about 13.5 runs per over, and now it has shot beyond 15. Although 15, if there are 30 runs remaining in the last 2 overs, they're quite gettable. But in 6 overs to get at the rate of at an average of 15 or 16, then that's too much for the asking. But we know that Nerul has a good batting side there, and meanwhile Bhiwandi has done everything right. The first 2 opening bowlers, they've done their duties. Right arm over the wicket this time. That was officially played. Very poor batting there. It almost landed in the bowler's hand, but somehow it was a little bit away from the bowler, and no run there. A dot ball. Wonderful bowling there. Wonderful opening ball by Sandeep. Sandeep Tare, beautiful bowling there. There's an appeal and umpire has given him out. We don't know why. We'll have to see what it is, whether it was a caught or the wickets or whatever. He's given him out. Batsman little bit unsatisfied with that decision, but the umpires are the best people there. Vivekananda Tandel is the umpire there who has given that ball, who is given that out, and he knows his job. They are very, very experienced umpires. And Chandrakant, Vivekananda and Chandrakant. These are the 2 experienced umpires in between, and the decision that was given was respected in the highest manner, because that's sportsman spirit, and we know that Vivekananda is a senior most umpire and he's going to do everything right. Both experienced umpires there. So he's seeing some wonderful cricket amidst top professionals. (14 for 4 now). 3rd over in progress. Sandeep Tare, the guy who's taken the 2nd wicket now, doing everything right for the Bhiwandi team. He's doing his duties there as expected from an opener. New man in is Rajesh. for the Nerul side. A right hand batter. That's tapped there. Looks like he's going to have a see in to what's happening over there. Score now is 15 in the third over. Asking rate jumping up nicely. Sandeep Tare, the man in form, with 2 wickets and given away hardly anything. Sandeep to Rakesh. A left hand batter. Sandeep to Rakesh. And what a ball that was! What a ball that was! Absolutely a beauty. Unplayable ball. Rajesh just could not read it and had to just tap it down and block the ball from going to the wickets. Rajesh now waiting for some mistakes from Shivaji, from Sandeep. Another ball that is tapped. Another dot ball. We really would like to know what the strategy is of the Nerul team. Probably what I guess is they've lost 4 big wickets and have lost their best players. So they would like to now consolidate for an over or so and have a look in and ask these players to settle down there before they go for the big shot. And that's exactly what Rajesh is doing there. As instructed by the captain, you'll have to consolidate, have a look in, settle down, and then go for a big shots because they know their capabilities. 16 for 4 wickets, 3 overs gone. Just 16 runs on board. And they're having a different understanding of the game now. They'll have to understand the game differently because almost now 20 runs to get per over.
So the responsibility of the middle order batsmen are increasing here.
18 and above. That's the asking rate now. And that's a shortish delivery out of the leg stump. Batsman not able to clear that. An uppish cut, and that will not improve the chances here. He'll have to go for huge ones now. So we'll have to. I'm just requesting Mr. Sandeep to give some expert comments about the situation right now.
Well, as I've said before, that the singles are not going to be able to do. If they want to be in the game, if they want to exist, so they need to go for the big strokes, and that is what the solution is right now. This was a full toss of bowler back drive, but meanwhile, then his follow through, he fielded well, but they have taken a comfortable single.
All right, that's bang on. The expert commentary there from Sandeep, and now it's over to Sandeep to continue the commentary for at least 1 hour. We'll keep on changing. Okay, thank you very much. Sandeep, please take on.
Thank you. Thank you, Sajid sir. So here we are right now, I think in 4th over, and the bowlers, they have done a really great job. This time played it beautifully again in the air, but that was backward of the point. Meanwhile, the batsmen are getting single chance to complete. That was in the air, but that didn't carry, and it's a chance to get the single. So Sajid sir, the overs were really great. Initial overs were very important, and we had expected that some big blows, but the bowlers who did a fantastic job, and they didn't allow batsmen to go for the big strokes. Here he goes again into the block hole. Meanwhile, that goes straight to the long on. There is a fielder. Meanwhile, the batsman's once again getting a single. So as I've said before, that in the first inning, the batsmen, they were they started well. I think Nitin especially, who batted really well, he scored over the above 60. 20 runs on the board right now. This was player flicked it away, but meanwhile there is a fielder at the long on region, and the comfortable single they have taken. When you have got a big target in front of you, you need to make a plan. You need to have a wicket. You will have to take risk, and that is what expected is not happening right now. All the teammates are looking dejected, as they had expected from the batsmen. That didn't happen on the ground. Here we go again. This is played beautifully straight down the ground. Let's see what happens. Meanwhile, there is once again the fielder collected, and as soon as he collected the ball, and threw at the bowler's hand. So this is the end of the over, and the score on right now 22, just 22. They have lost 4 wickets after 4th over. So what you will say about this right now?
Yeah, we have to now understand that the situation is very poor for this the Nerul team, and only if the batters they're able to execute the batting properly and go in for big shots, that's the only way they'll be able to cross 108. Otherwise the innings looks a little bleak for them. Yeah, please continue, Sandeep sir, please continue.
रुपेश को यहाँ पर गेंदबाजी के लिए, भूपेश माफ कीजिएगा, भूपेश को यहाँ पर गेंदबाजी के लिए लाया गया है। हालांकि हमने अपेक्षाएं रखी थी कि कहीं अच्छी शुरुआत होगी, लेकिन जिस तरीके से गेंदबाज यहाँ पर हावी हो चुके हैं बल्लेबाजी पर, जिन्होंने कोई मौका नहीं, बिल्कुल ही मौका नहीं दिया, और शुरू से हमने देखा कि जो ब्रेक थ्रू, हालांकि उन्होंने पहले ही इनिशियल ओवर में लिए, और उसकी वजह यहाँ रन इतने कम स्कोर बोर्ड पर। इस बीच नयूर की पहली गेंद बैकफुट पर जाकर खेलने की कोशिश की थी, लेकिन काफ़ी फासला था यहाँ पर गेंद और बल्ले के बीच में, और सुरक्षित जाकर विकेट कीपर के हाथों में गेंद गई है। तो केवल यहाँ पर रन अब तक का स्कोर हो चुका है 22 रन हो चुके हैं। जिस तरीके से अपेक्षाएं यहाँ पर भंग करते हुए यहाँ बल्लेबाज, हालांकि मिडिल ऑर्डर के बल्लेबाज अभी भी, इस बीच पटकी हुई गेंद थी, कट करने की कोशिश थी, लेकिन फिर से हमने देखा कि काफ़ी फासला था गेंद और बल्ले के बीच, और फिर से एक बार उनको डॉट बीट किया, और ये डॉट गेंद थी, और डॉट गेंदों से यहाँ पर तनाव बढ़ता हुआ बल्लेबाजों का। इस बीच अगली गेंद थी, हवा में खेला है शॉर्ट थर्ड मैन के खिलाड़ी वहाँ पर, लेकिन कुछ टप्पे पर उन्होंने गेंद को कलेक्ट किया, और जैसे ही गेंद को उन्होंने कलेक्ट किया, फेंक दिया विकेट कीपर के पास, और एक अवसर वहां पर बना दिया बल्लेबाजों ने 1 रन लेने का। इस मैच को अगर जीतना होगा तो शुरू से यहाँ पर ताबड़तोड़ बल्लेबाजी करनी चाहिए थी। अभी 23 रन हो चुके हैं, और अगर हम पहले पारी के बारे में सोचेंगे तो उनके रन हो चुके थे, काफ़ी रन हो चुके थे, 53 रन हो चुके थे। काफ़ी लंबा फासला यहाँ पर इन दोनों टीमों के बीच। इस बीच अगली गेंद थे, फिर से एक बार बैकफुट पर गए, बैकफुट ऑफ द पॉइंट का शॉर्ट पॉइंट पर फील्डिंग वहाँ पर थोड़ी सी हड़बड़ाहट जरूर हुई, लेकिन तेजी से उन्होंने रन पूरा किया। हालांकि रन वो चुराया। चौबीस रन हो चुके हैं। यहाँ से काफी कठिनाई का सामना बल्लेबाजों को करना पड़ रहा है। इस बीच देखिए पटकी हुई गेंद थी, फिर से एक बार गुडलैंड पर टप्पा खाने के बाद अचानक से उछली गेंद, कट करने की कोशिश थी, लेकिन फिर से एक बार शायद ही बल्लेबाज बीट हुए। विकेट कीपर भी वहां पर बीट हो चुके थे। गति परिवर्तन उन्होंने किया, और एक अच्छी गेंद हमने देखी। पूरी तरीके से यहाँ पर निर्भर करता है, अगर आपको गेंद यहाँ पर इस मैच में टिके रहना है और अपने अस्तित्व को यहाँ पर टिकाना होगा, तो कुछ ना कुछ करना होगा। 25 रन अब तक हो चुके हैं। अगली गेंद, इस बीच देखिए बैकफुट पर चले गए, हुक करने की कोशिश थी, हवा में गेंद थी, लेकिन गेंद फील्डिंग वहां पर की। थ्रो जो है काफी विकेटों से लंबी की उन्होंने, लेकिन एक ही रन से यहाँ पर संतुष्ट। इसी के साथ यहाँ पर ओवर की समाप्ति, तो 5 ओवर के समाप्ति के बाद स्कोर हो चुका है 26, 4 विकेटों के नुकसान पर। माइक्रोफोन पर आएंगे अंग्रेजी के साजिद सर, डॉक्टर साजिद सर.
Thank you, Sandeep sir. And for information, this tournament has been arranged by Prima and Rasayani, these teams. We have some wonderful players, the talented players in Rasayani in the form of Sanjay Kurangale, Prashant Jadhav, Sachin Mokal, Jitu, Vaibhav, Nilesh, Rohit, Manoj Kucheria, and all these people. And there are young lot having lovely talent there and also a passion for cricket, and they like to organize tournaments, and they organize it very very well. They were the organizers of RMA. I've seen them do everything right. There we have Sanjay Kurangale and Nilesh coming closer to the, and that's the end of Rakesh. Wonderful ball right in the block hole. Rajesh was not able to read it, and another wicket lost. 5 down in the 5th over. 6th over. 5 wickets down in the 6th over. The score being 26. The new man in.
हे षटक संपल्यानंतर भिवंडीचे कॅप्टन मनीष म्हात्रे यांना विनंती आहे की फक्त आपण 2 मिनिटं नाणेफेकीसाठी यावं. हे षटक संपल्यावर रायगड राजाच्या कॅप्टनला विनंती आहे की आपण इकडे या.
There we have Santosh Jadhav sir at the ropes waiting for his turn with the bat and the ball. We have an all-rounder in the form of Santosh Jadhav. That's a nicely played ball, but up in the air and straight into the hands of the long off player. 6th wicket down, 6th over in progress. Bhupesh was the fielder there who's taken that lovely catch. Although right in his hands, he didn't have to move anywhere. He just stood his ground and took that very comfortable catch. Somehow in this innings of Nerul, all the balls have landed straight into the hands of the fielders, which gives compliment to the bowlers and the captain for setting the field. The bowlers have bowled to their plans. Captain has set the team, the fielding perfectly, and according to that, the bowlers have done the bowling, and that's the reason why the balls have landed straight into the hands of the players. So that's wonderful execution of fielding and bowling. He is now on the hat-trick ball. 2 balls, 2 wickets and 2 balls. He's on a hat-trick now. And there was a cut there, but just a single. So hat-trick lost. Score now being 27 for the loss of 6 wickets in the 6th over. The onslaught by the Bhiwandi bowlers has not been able to, and that's another wicket there. 7 down, 6th over in progress, and that's a sad story for Nerul, because the spectators here, the audience here, they expected some huge fireworks from them, considering that they had a deep batting lineup, and somehow the masters of bowling from the Bhiwandi side, they have not given any loose deliveries so far. They have bowled bang on, and that's the reason they've been able to get the wonderful results and these beautiful wickets. Every wicket has been earned. Nothing has come by chance. They have earned the wickets, and hats off to the team, the fielding team. सर, हे विकेट गेल्यानंतर तुम्हाला काय वाटतं संदीप सर?
उन्होंने शुरू से, मैंने पहले कहा था कि ये उन्होंने अच्छी गेंदबाजी का प्रदर्शन किया है. हालांकि आपने कहा कि फील्डिंग भी अच्छी हुई है, तो उसी का नतीजा हम यहाँ देख रहे हैं. भिवंडी की टीम यहाँ पर हावी होती हुई, इस बीच कलाइयों का इस्तेमाल किया, लेकिन गेंद जाएगी सीधी, रहेगी शॉर्ट एक्स्ट्रा कवर रीजन में, और एक मौका मिला. तो यहाँ पर मुझे लगता है कि औपचारिकता इस मैच में बची हुई।
There is still a chance, according to Sandeep sir. Sixth over in progress. Nitin Bhagat there. We are waiting for the umpire's decision. That's a leg by. Okay. And there we have Jitu Paura and Darshan Avaskar waiting for their turns. They're waiting to get onto the field. We'll have to see how they perform. The wonderful batsmen and lovely bowlers for Raigad Raje team. Raigad Raje waiting for their team. Santosh Jadhav also is waiting for his turn to get onto the field. 12 deliveries to go, 79 runs to get. Looks like an impossible task, but they'll have to complete the innings. Not even a miracle can make them win this tournament now, because Bhupesh there getting the 7th over. Out of the off stumps, we'll have to wait for the umpire's decision. Yes, he's given it. Pawan is the bowler, losing the focus to a little extent, but probably had a plan there, wanted to place it on the offside, wanted to do some negative bowling. That was his plan, but somehow was not able to get it on target, and in the end it resulted into a wide ball. Another ball out of the off stump, but this was bang on. This is what he was planning in the previous ball. And he knew that this batsman is very strong on the leg side. That's why he wants to make him play on the off. Rajesh is the batsman they're facing. Pawan. And Pawan with that wonderful bowling now. Rajesh just could not read the ball. And that's a dot ball now.
रायगड राजे विरुद्ध भिवंडी असा हा सामना रंगणार आहे. आमचे डोळे सर, विकास डोळे सर, लोटस डायग्नोस्टिक सेंटरचे डायरेक्टर, त्यांच्या शुभ हस्ते नाणेफेकीचा कौल करण्यात येतोय आणि इंदर चौहान सर इथे उपस्थित आहेत. नाणेफेक जिंकले AKM भिवंडी संघानं. निर्णय लवकरात लवकर कळवा. थँक्यू.
Welcome Dole sir. Please be seated. Okay, nicely stopped. The outfield in the mornings, generally because of the dew, it's a little slow. So anything that you have to so if at all you want to go over the ropes, you will have to hit the ball in the air so that in minimum bounces the ball crosses the ropes, because the outfield is quite slow in the mornings because of the dew. And that's up in the air there. We'll have to wait for the result. And what a ball! A Jeffrey Archer type. He's taken the catch and thrown the ball inside. There's no decision yet from the umpire, Vivekanand. And 2 runs. So that's beautifully taken. Almost a Jeffrey Archer style on the long on. Amazing fielding there. Wonderful ball on the leg stump. Batsman not able to read it. Another dot ball. So that's the end of the 7th over. 35 for the loss of 7 wickets. Just 35 on board, 1 over to go to reach 108 in just 1 over. An impossible task. They'll just have to complete the formalities now. And now we are looking forward to the next game between Raigad Raje and and AKM Bhiwandi. Next contest. That's a white ball there. A good first match, although the audience would have expected a good contest, a tough competition here, but somehow Bhiwandi was right on top. Their bowlers did everything right, the fielders did everything right, the captain did everything right. The team has gelled so well, and that's almost to get 108 on board was an achievement in itself. Once you have a huge score on board, you can put pressure on the fielding side, and then you can capitalize by taking the wickets. And that's exactly what Bhiwandi planned and did. The execution of plan was perfect. So, Sandeep sir, इसके बारे में आपको क्या कहना है? What are your expert comments regarding the situation created by the Bhiwandi? They have executed so well. Everything done was right. What is your take on this?
Well, definitely what we had expected from them. The first initial over, as I've said before, they bowled really well, and they planned, and according to the plan, they have bowled in direct. This time played it beautifully in the air, and I think there is no chance, there is no man, and it will be going for one bounce for boundary. So, in fact, all the fielding and even the bowling side was really great. They have done an outstanding job.
So now all credit to the Bhiwandi guys, and another team coming in from Bhiwandi after this contest against Raigad Raje. We have Vaibhav Gaikwad over there. He is getting his muscles tightened up and fit. And Jitu, Dr. Jitu Pato, wicket keeper, the best wicket keeper of RMA, of Raigad Medical Association, and champs every year. The Raigad Raje, the players of Raigad Raje, these are the best players all over. Every year, they perform every year in the RMA championships. So we have all the top players coming in the Raigad Raja team. So we'll have to see who performs today. We all were awaiting this day. This tournament will be played at and this will go on 3,000. Third prize 25, and fourth 25 again. So score now is 49, and that's the end of the match. Wonderfully played by Bhiwandi team. 49 for 7 at the end of